Hello folks, I'm here on Valentin Resort, right close to the pool. You can see this light here. Literally these three lights beside the pool are well, actually that kind of a darker red color looking one is actually a light right next to the building, which is the disco, and there's the two windows right there. Those two little lights right between or beside the pole here is the lights in the building of the disco building. You can see, now I did a video here last time outside here. I know I'm only going to do a couple showing the exterior, but you can see lights here. Now, as you can see, it's not 100% full yet, dark. Look, that little light is above the tree line is the moon. That's about maybe a quarter in size. Lights down the way. Now, one thing I want to quickly say before I let you go on this video is this pathway that I walked in last time but this pathway is actually the one that leads to the, from what I call the front side of the resort, because the back side I walked that way, but same direction. I just happened to come right here, which you can see these lights that are coming up. These lights is at the cross section here of the roundabout looking section here. That light right here, where my finger is crossing, let me go up a little higher, is literally the center of the cross, the trifecta, as I call it. If I go to the right here, where that light is from the center, would be the direction to my room, which is where I'm going to be going for a little bit. And then to the left there, so center to the left, all those lights, every single light now on this resort is working, with the exception of a couple that they don't have around the pool. But I wanted to mention that because in my last videos showing out here, I mentioned that only a couple weren't lit up. But it looks like they fixed all the lights, with the exception, like I said, of a couple by the pools, which I'm going to show another video about that. But each pool, the main pool and the Elegance pool, they have lights on now to help light up a little bit, just for safety and tripping danger.